Hello. My name is Noelani, and I am Mrs. K's youngest daughter. And she asked me to bake something for you guys today because she needs stuff to upload. So I am making cookies at 11:15 at night. Let's get started. The recipe that we will be using, it makes a ton of cookies. The last time I made 45 cookies. It says it makes 4 dozen, but I only made 45, which is pretty close. So yeah, this is what we're doing. I just set the oven to convection bake 350 degrees, and now we're gonna start. I just changed the camera angle, but it's so zoomed in. I'm so sorry. I don't know how she teaches like this. Anyways, so what we're first gonna start doing is we are going to melt butter in the microwave and then pour it into here. We need 1 cup of butter. So I'm gonna take a cup out of here and put it into the microwave. So while our butter is heating up, we are going to put 2 cups of brown sugar. I think it's called turbinado. I'm not sure. It's the kind that's not green. And you put that into your mixing bowl and you want to smush it down. So it's 2 cups of packed brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of white sugar. I'm sorry, this is making so much noise. Alrighty. I hope she edits this and makes it go faster. If not, enjoy me doing this for like 3 minutes. This one you don't pack, you just put it in because it doesn't really do anything packing it. You're just gonna go like that and put it in. Right, so my butter just finished, so now I'm going to pour that full cup into here. It's easier when your butter is a liquid to mix with everything. A lot of times the recipes say like softened or something like that. You just melt it all the way. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. That's what I do, and they turn out good. So now we're gonna put it on the speed of 2. It is now mixed. Oh, the fridge. Okay, everything is now mixed, and it looks like slush. Kind of gross. So now we're gonna put in 2 eggs. It says room temp. I use it in the fridge. They just came out of the fridge. I don't know if that does anything, but yeah. I also do not know how to break an egg with my hand, so you don't get to see that. Sorry. And now we're gonna mix that, and I have to get the vanilla because I forgot about that. And I'm just gonna put it on to stir. So I got my vanilla. It was a new bottle. It smells so good. I think it's 2 tablespoons. Oh, 2 teaspoons. That would have been bad. Okay, be right back. I got my teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons. A little extra. Whoopsie. 1, 2. We are going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Our salt thing is broken, which is an inconvenience. His hair is so long. Half a teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. Now we're gonna mix. We're gonna put it on stir, and while it does that, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and come back. Okay, anyways, this is what the mixture looks like, and now we're gonna add some flour. I just moved it. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so flour. We're going to add 3½ cups of flour. So, ooh, this is what I learned. It's called the scoop and swoop. So you take your flour and you scoop it into your like measuring thing. So it's like this. I need a little more. There you go. And then you swoop it. And that's how you get it. That way you're not packing it because you want your measurements to be accurate. And for flour, it's not supposed to be packed. It's supposed to be like this. Woo! So that's one. Now we got to do 2 more and a half. BRB. So now the flour is into the bowl, and now we're gonna stir it at a speed of 2. And while that stirs, I'm gonna clean up because there's like flour everywhere. That went so fast. That went to 4. You want it at 2 or else it gets scary. So this one's been going for like 45 seconds a minute. So now I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna take this bad boy and I'm gonna smoosh it down.
Off the whisk thing, you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna scrape the sides. This way that you make sure that there's no flour or salt or anything, ingredients. There's no ingredients left on the side that are getting mixed, because you don't want clumps of things in your cookies. It's kind of thick, but the cookies are so good. Let me just tell you. Alright, so we're gonna let this bad boy go for another 30 seconds, and while that happens, I'm going to get the chocolate chips.
So now that the batter is all mixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dude again. Oh my god, they're minis. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't know that. Look. Hold on. I didn't know these were minis. I don't know if I'm supposed to use these. It's okay. They're already in my batter. Oops. We're going to mix it in. This is a lot of chocolate. Okay, let me show you. Lots of chocolate in here, but we are going to mix it up and hopefully it's not too much. So now I'm going to use this ice cream scooper with this cool little... So it goes like that. So it comes out nice. Okay, and I'm just going to scoop it. Oh, I forgot. Pam. I'm not sure. I always forget if I'm supposed to use Pam or not, but I mean, it can't hurt, right? So just going to coat this pan that I have right here. Nice. So that they come off nice. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. I did it anyways. Whoop. And I'm just gonna drop them. Okay. Anyways, so I finished the second pan. I still have some batter left, but I'm just gonna put this into the oven. So I'm going to put it in both pans at the same time. You can't see me right now. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm really nervous. I'm really nervous that they're gonna spread out and connect to each other. I think I don't really want to stay up for an extra 20 minutes for a second batch of cookies. So I'm just going to take this extra batter and put it into a container, container. Save the earth. Recycle. Reduce. Reuse. Recycle. Okay. I'm going to put it into a container and put it into the freezer so that we can just make cookies in a couple days with leftover stuff. Oh, timer. I'm gonna put the timer on for 7 minutes and then check it, and it might need more time. I'll let y'all know how long it takes and stuff. 7-minute timer just went off, and this is how the cookies look. Usually I wouldn't have the top rack like that, but they do need more time, so I'm gonna put them back in for another 3 minutes. The bottom's gonna be done before the top, so the top will probably get moved to the bottom when the bottom rack is done, and then it'll cook for like 2 more minutes. Yeah. So this is what the first plate looks like, or this is what I learned from last time making cookies. If you put a hot one in, it's like, oh, it's sizzled. I don't know if you heard that. But if you put a hot cookie into cold milk, it doesn't crumble. Magical. Oh, so good. Oh my god, so good. It's like mushy in the middle, hard on the outside. Oh, it's crumbling. Okay, just kidding. It crumbles still with cold milk. And number 2. Ow, I burnt myself. Okay, so good. I'm gonna eat another one. All right, bye.